Hi, this is Justice. In this video, I want to talk about the Rebelle 7 upgrade that has just been released for sale right now. Now you can see Rebelle 7 has a discount from $90 to $20 and from $149 to $29. This is fantastic, and I'm going to give you a little bit more than just a notification that it's limited time sale. Go right now. It is up. You can purchase it. Now you can purchase for friends as a gift. This is a wonderful gift for friends who like digital art. You won't see these prices again for a long time. Okay, so now here is the additional information. I have a video that I spent the last 10 hours making for Rebelle. It's a 2-minute video, and it shows off a lot of the new features inside of Rebelle 7 Pro. So I wanted to show that to you now. Rebelle 7 pre-orders have started, and I couldn't be more excited. There's a whole lot that's been added to this new version of the software. Rebelle 5 used natural color mixing, and Rebelle 6 introduced pigments and true-to-life paints. Now Rebelle 7 has introduced metallic paints, reflections, specular light, and this looks stunning. Papers have even more accurate height information, so that means when you're drawing, it's going to be painting on the tops of the surfaces just like it does in real life. Now set a default color per brush, increase impasto, and there's a new textures and dual brush function in the brush creator. Improvements to the ruler tool have added ellipse, pivoting from the center, and now a new parallel lines tool, which allows for very, very rapid creation of circles and straight lines. The fill tool can now paste patterns and gradients. There are now new non-destructive filters you can add into the layers panel. This gives you the ability to control everything that's underneath it. With new structures, you can add even more depth to your canvas. These structures can be moved, scaled, adjusted, and hidden. There's a lot more to share about the new Rebelle 7, so stay tuned, and make sure to share this news with friends and family in order to get $25 worth of papers for free. Okay, so some of the stuff that I am most excited about, this right here, where you can see the light reflecting it, I'm telling you, it is magical. It is super, super cool. And the first beta that I had from them is actually pre-beta, so alpha build, that did not do that. And so when I saw that yesterday, it's just yesterday, I saw that, and it blew my mind. It's so cool. There's plans for a lot of different things that I can't share yet. If Rebelle 7 is something that you want to learn about, if it's something that you don't have yet, this is the right time to buy it. I have an affiliate link. I had a relationship with Rebelle and loved the software, was a user of the software before I got the job making tutorials for them. I'm a big fan, whether I get paid or not. I have affiliate relationships with as many different companies as I can do that are related to me. So I have for Clip Studio Paint, great software, very different than Rebelle. Rebelle is fantastic if you like natural media, if you like sketching. The pencil tools are phenomenal, and it is a wonderful program. And the price right now, $30, you can't beat it. So jump over there, use the affiliate link that I have in the description, and the same one will be pinned as the top comment in the comment section. All right, you guys, thank you for doing that. If you do that, it really helps my family, and it's meaningful. Actually, every single purchase matters to me, and it's something I'm grateful for. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, stay creative. And if you're watching this today, have a wonderful Thanksgiving.